Okay. All right, folks. This morning we're going to add a TXV to a system right now that's rated about 14.5 SEER. First thing we're doing, we're pumping it down. He just actually closed the high side valve. You see the suction side, which is the big one, is still open. He's going to now turn the unit on. He's just holding in the contactor. I want you to look at the gauges here. Pay close attention. The suction line, the compressor, is actually pulling in the refrigerant into the condenser itself, okay? One thing that we had to do the other day was kind of overcharge it in order for it to work this weekend for him. So it should go all the way down. Let's see. Here the compressor, it means it's loading up with Freon. Now he's closing the suction valve. Okay, that's the first step in replacing the TXV.